If you need to give someone access to your Namecheap account, whether it is a teammate, developer, or domain assistant, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and secure way. We will cover how to share access to a domain, choose specific permissions, and make sure the other person accepts the invitation properly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your usual email and password. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Domain List. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed in one place, so it is the starting point for managing access to a specific domain. Now find the domain that you want to share. If you have multiple domains, take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct one. When you find it, click the Manage button next to that domain. This will open the settings page for that specific domain where you can control different options like DNS, transfers, and sharing permissions. On the domain management page, look for the Sharing and Transfer tab and click it. This section is where Namecheap lets you give another person controlled access to your domain without handing over your full account login. That makes it much safer if you only need someone to help with technical tasks or domain settings. Next, find the Share Access section. Here you will see an option to add a new manager. In the New Manager field, enter the person's Namecheap username or the email address linked to their Namecheap account. Make sure the details are correct because the invitation needs to go to the right account. After entering the information, click Add. At this point, you will need to choose the permissions you want to give. If you want the person to have full access to everything for that domain, you can allow broader permissions. But if you only want to give limited access, open the Permissions dropdown and select Give manager some permissions. This is the safer option for most users because it lets you control exactly what the other person can do. Now select the specific permissions you want to grant. For example, if the person only needs to manage DNS records, you can allow DNS management without giving access to other sensitive settings. Take your time here and choose only the permissions that are necessary. Limiting access is always a smart move when sharing domain control. Once you have selected the permissions, Namecheap will ask you to enter your account password. This is a security step to confirm that you are the account owner and that you approve the access request. Type your password carefully, then click Confirm. After that, the access request will be sent. Now the final step happens on the other person's side. The new manager will receive an email invitation at the email address associated with their Namecheap account. They need to open that email and accept the invitation in order to gain access. If they do not accept it, the shared access will not become active, so make sure they check their inbox and even their spam or promotions folder if needed. And that is how you give someone access to your Namecheap account the right way. You now know how to share a domain, assign specific permissions, and securely confirm the request. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.